with the snowflakes. Like, that is sick.
Yo, what is up, guys? Tower Sports Collection. We are back with another video.
Back with some more of these NBA hoops. This is the 2024-25 winter exclusive ones. We already opened one of these on the channel, so I figured why not try two of them. So let's just get right into these suckers. First pack here. Obviously, you got a bunch of the base cards. They got, obviously, snow on them. I didn't realize that in the last one, because they're the winter ones. Starting off with a SAR there. Got a Julius Erving tribute card. Carter rookie there. A Russell Skyview Anthony Edwards. I do love these inserts there. Aaron Wiggins there. We got a Chet. I was gonna say this pack feels kind of thick. Got a Topic there. I still don't know how you say his name.
I don't know.
Reed Shepard rookie there. Pretty sure is his name. Yeah, look at that. We got a Ware rookie there. Luka. Steph Curry there. Oh, it's a rookie sweater. That's why it's so thick. Yo. Look at that. Rookie sweaters. You guys bundled up because we got sweaters on this one. You guys bundled up because we got sweaters on this one. Another Carter there. Rookie here, we got a Holmes. Haven't seen him yet. A Kyle there. Got a Chat tribute card. Tristan there. Rookie greetings this time. I haven't seen him yet either.
That looks kind of scary.
We got Bam there. Then D'Angelo Russell. Oh, we got another color one in this one. I hope that means good things too. I want to see a numbered card. Oh, we got a Zach there. LeBron James there. Got a Tyler. Steph Curry tribute. We got a Jared McMahon.
You can't keep getting away with it!
Then we got a Dalton Knight rookie greeting there. Another sick insert. Then it was a Jay Crowder. No number or anything on there. Wells on this one. Tyson. Peer players. Jason Tatum on this one. Like, those look sick. Kuminga there. Yo, what is this? Oh, it's a tribute card. Zion Williamson there. Final pack of that first box here. Like, this box has been fire. Do you know base cards? Looks like we got a Skyview card coming up. We got Isaiah there. Donovan there. Oh, where? Arriving now. It was a Giannis Skyview. Then a Robert Williams III, 10 off that first box. Pack one here. Base cards as always. Rookie there, Mitchell. Yo, then another rookie tribute card. This time it's Dalton Knight there. AJ Johnson, another rookie I haven't heard. This is a Walter. Oh, back-to-back Walters. Same insert and everything. Of course, this one just has the hollow on it there. Then a Ja Morant. We got a Bub rookie there. Bub Carrington there. Another one of those rookie greeting cards. Haven't heard of him either. Oh, I think this is a patch. Look at that. Reed Shepherd. Rise and Shine patch there. Sick little insert. Then we got a Tyler Wells on this one too. Tyler Wells. Yo, look at that one. Wonder what that last card is. We got a Donovan tribute card there. I didn't even get a single one of these on my first one. They're like flying everywhere now. Castle. Yo, it's a pure players one. Cam Reddish. Jones. Oh no, it ain't. I'm just crazy. I don't know what's going on in the back. Got a Shea there. I love that insert. Jacob. Here it is. What we got going on here? Isaiah Harvenstein. Number 288. Holy shit.
Shit.
A Yao Ming there. I'll take that one, I ain't gonna lie. A Larson here? Haven't heard of him. Buddy Hield. Oh, yes, sir. Ron Holland II. We got a Johnny there. Oh. I used to pray for times like this.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
A Ron Holland II Skyview there. Give me that all day. Then a Shea there. Another SAR there. Julius Erving tribute. A Carter. Frequent Flyers. Jason Tatum. Yeah, see, here's one of those purple ones. Oh, yo. Then a Reed Shepherd tribute card there. With the snowflakes. Like, that is sick.
Shepherd? Oh.
Last pack here. Let's see if we can end on like an auto. Oh, it's a colored one. That's always a good sign. I just hope it's a rookie. Topic there. Dude, he is everywhere. Another Reed Shepherd. A Ware. A Montas. We got Jason Tatum. Who is it? It's a Zach LaVine. No number on this one. And just those two boxes. This is all the rookies we pulled. Like, just so many. We got just 23 base rookies there. And these were like all the insert cards and stuff like that. Like, just so many rookie inserts. We got the Walker arriving now. The rookie patch, Rise and Shine, Reed Shepherd. I'll also like curse my packs. The out of nowhere there. Isaiah Havelstein. That was to 88. Got a Reed Shepherd there. Nice snowflake hollow on there. Carter there with the snowflake. Rookie sweaters. Ware there. Tristan on the greetings. And Ron Holland II. Skyview rookie there. I mean, just a ton of rookie cards, brand new rookies I've never even heard of. I feel like those boxes are definitely worth it. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. As always, drop a like, comment down below what kind of box you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, guys, it's been Tower Sports Collection. Peace.